Today I have an announcement to make, and it's been a long time coming, but I'm going to introduce from March the 1st a membership side to the channel. And what does that mean? Well, it means that for those of you who want to take your skills that little bit further and want to learn more information, can join the membership scheme that is broken down into two pricing tiers. One is the creative and the hobby level, and the second is the Floristry Business Club. Sounds exciting? It certainly is. Now the first tier is $8.99 and you pay that on a monthly basis, and that gives you access to behind the scenes videos, Q&As, a live chat and a live monthly demonstration. And I think that's an absolute bargain for $8.99. If you decide it's something that you would like to participate in, then look for the join button underneath and you will find more information, and you can decide which level of extra tuition you want to pay for. Now the creative and the hobby level is based at those of you that are new to the industry. You might be a church flower arranging lady or gentleman. You might be arranging flowers for the home. You might be trying to arrange flowers for a family member's wedding later in the year, or practicing for where you get married yourself. And that creative or that hobby level is ideal for you. You will have the opportunity once a month to join me for a live chat where I can answer questions, discuss any problems that you might be having, or help you with some design ideas. There will also be an exclusive monthly demonstration where you join me live. Again, you can ask questions. They'll be seasonal and topical, and they're likely to be towards the end of the month. So at the end of each month, there's going to be a live chat on one day and then a live demonstration on another day. It's taken a little while to organise because I've had to make sure that I've got good internet access so that I can speak to you and reply to your messages as they occur. I'm really excited because when I'm talking to the camera, and I've almost got to think in my head the questions that you're likely to be thinking of when you're sitting at home. So it'll be lovely to have an interactive audience and be able to answer your questions. So the normal side of the channel isn't changing. There will still be a video on a Sunday. I used to release them at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but I've brought that forward to 12 o'clock. Because the analytics are telling me there's a lot of you around at 12 o'clock. Those of you that are part of the membership will have access to a video that I will have recorded leading up to the construction of the design. So it will be talking more in depth about my flower choice, my mechanics or my container choice, and it will be trying to infill any of the information that might be lacking in the main part of the video. So I'm going to break it down into two, and those of you that are part of the membership package will be able to see that more often than not on a Saturday, or it'll be a video that I will produce after the design has been completed, where I talk through any improvements that I might feel are needed, the elements and principles of design, and how I would change that or adapt for a different situation. So it's almost predicting those questions that I think you might be asking at home. Now the higher tier level is aimed at those florists that are in the industry. When I started the channel, I aimed it at beginners and hobby-based flower arrangers and those of you doing flowers in the church. But it's become evident over the last couple of years that there are lots of florists following me. Many of those are beginners, and you want more information. You often email me with questions. I get DMs on Facebook and Instagram, and it's become obvious as time has gone on that you need a little bit more help. So the business club side is more expensive. That's £25 a month. But again, I think it's really worth it because you get the opportunity to ask me questions in a live chat and in a separate demonstration that's going to be aimed more at florists and floristry rather than hobby-based flower arranging and arranging for the church. So in the Florist Business Club, which is a separate membership, you get all the perks from the creative and the hobby-based level, but you also get an extra live chat once a month, an extra live demonstration, which is likely to be more floristry based. So it could be a wreath design like this, could be a funeral tribute, or it could be discussing a wedding bouquet and the problems that are encountered along the way. The Floristry Business Club will give me the opportunity to ask more business related questions, which wouldn't be helpful for those of you that are hobby based or just arranging flowers for your local church. The online lessons are going to continue. I haven't set any dates for them this year because we've had a big move and a big change, and I have to take things a little bit step by step. And if there is anything that you would want to learn in an online course, then as usual, put it in the comment box and I can put a plan together for the rest of the year. If you don't want to pay anything for a membership, then that's okay too, because you can still watch the free videos on a Sunday, and I'm still energetic and excited to be teaching you everything I know on a Sunday afternoon. There is also an extra addition to the YouTube channel itself. If you look below the video, you will see links to PDF documents. Now, please remember, these are documents that get downloaded to your laptop, your computer, or your phone. They're not hard copy books that I post out to you or that come from a publisher, although there's plans for hardback books as well. You might not realise there's also a description box below the video, or it's sometimes to the right if you're watching on the TV. That will list all of the flowers that I've used in every design that comes up on a Sunday, and it will link any previous videos that I feel might be relevant or important to that week's designs. So that's my big announcement for the beginning of March. There is a membership side to the channel. You can choose to join or not to join. That's entirely up to you. If you do join, you pay a month at a time, and you can cancel the membership at any time if it doesn't suit you. So in a nutshell, there are more tutorial videos, a live chat and a live demonstration at 2 different levels each month. I look forward to seeing you there. And if I don't see you there, I'll see you on Sunday for our normal YouTube tutorial. Bye for now.